And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you another shadow text effect in Adobe Photoshop. For the background I want to use an orange color. You can use the same with this hex code over here. Just use the paint bucket tool. Short key for that is G. Afterwards I'll open a new layer, press T for the type tool, I'll type in some text and I'll give it a black color for now. I use Montserrat as a font, but obviously you can use any font you wish. Press Ctrl T to resize it, press Ctrl A to select it all, and then use the top menu while the move tool is activated to center it. Then right click, blending options on your text layer will add a drop shadow. Go to contour. Normally it's linear by default. Let us just change that to ring and double. And as you've seen, I can drag the shadow around with the move tool in real time on my canvas. Then go to blending options and go down with the fill opacity. You can see what it does. So the shadow is still there, but the text itself doesn't have a fill anymore. As a drop shadow color, I'll use a black, a dark gray color, something like that. You could use any color you wish, but a dark gray looks good on this background. For the opacity, I'll use around 70%. The angle and the distance, it just changes the position now of what we've got, as there is no fill on the text anymore, so we don't have to worry about that. But size and spread, this is where the magic happens. Just play around with it until all of the letters flow into each other, but not so much that you can't see them anymore as individual letters. I want to add a little bit of noise as well. Don't overdo it. I don't think it looks good when it's like 10% or higher. I'll use 4% here. Just press OK. And there it is, it's only the effect. And the bad thing about it is it's editable in real time, so when I use the type tool, type in it, the effect is automatically applied to the other letters or words that I've added. And this is how you can create this shadow text effect in Adobe Photoshop. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.